Welcome to Land Administration S'mores, where complex land issues meet campfire clarity. We break down land rights, cadastral systems, geospatial tools, human rights, and property law into digestible bites, just like s'mores. From boundary disputes to land grabs, titling systems to tenure security, we're here to inform, ignite debate, and inspire change. Whether you're a professional, a student, policymaker, or simply land curious, grab a virtual marshmallow and join the conversation. Additional comprehensive land administration information is available in the Jack McKenna book, A Land Administration Toolkit, available on Amazon. And also you may contact me, Jack McKenna, at landdataplus.com. Thank you for your time and attention.